So how do you turn on the game mode on your iPhone step by step? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, consider subscribing because I have plenty of tutorials which are going to help you out. So the first step is to open up the settings app and locate the focus section. For me, you can see that the gaming mode is already showing up right here. If this is not the case for you, tap on the plus button right there and select the focus mode from the options that appear. So just click on gaming and it will be added right there. Then you need to set up the notifications. So you need to pick which people you want to allow to contact you, or other way around, which people you want to block notifications from. Same thing for specific apps. Like you can decide which apps can deliver notifications while gaming and which apps are simply not allowed to do it. Then the next step would be to set up a schedule. Because of course you can turn it on manually, but it would make sense to set up a schedule. And the schedule can be like based on a time, location, or app. So I believe using app is the best way to do this, because you can pick a specific game app and every time you open it, the gaming mode will be turned on. Then you also have the other, as I said, like based on a time and location, but also what's interesting is, for example, wireless controller schedule, which for me is turned on. And whenever I connect a Bluetooth controller, like from PS4 or PS5, whatever, if I connect it through Bluetooth to my iPhone, the gaming mode gets turned on automatically. Another way to make it turn on automatically is by utilizing the smart activation, which is just one toggle, but I find it to be working kind of well. Like it just finds out what game you are playing, and when you enable it, then it also turns on the focus mode for gaming. So that would be all, like automatically turning it on. If you, however, manually want to enable it, you can just be anywhere on your home screen or while playing the game, access the control center, tap on the focus mode option, and then click gaming, which will make it turn on, and you have it turn on automatically. So no matter which option you decided to go with, I believe that I have helped you with this specific issue. So if I did, let me know about that in the comments, or hit the thumbs up to also, let me know that it helped you. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorials as well.